there is a recent news that Russia deployed its 1 lakh soldiers on the Ukrainian border. So it will lead to a World War III situation. As all major countries, most of the countries are allied to the one or the other countries as they support the other countries whenever there will be a situation of war. So it will seriously lead to the World War III situation. So let me first understand the history of it, that where is Ukraine and Russia. On the map you can see there is a long border of the Ukraine with the Russia, as the eastern part of the Ukraine has touched with the western part of the Russia. So the year was 1991 when the Soviet Union breaks in 15 parts. Russia was one of the largest and Ukraine was also one of the part of it. So after it, Ukraine was willing to join European Union as they want independence like the other countries of the Europe. So there are also some peoples in the Ukraine, those who do not want independence, they only want to join the Russia, as the thing that they are ethnically similar and also the religion is same, that is Christian. Majority of the people are Christians. And in the eastern part of the Ukraine, there are pro-Russians there. So they believe that they do not want to remain independent, they should join Russia. So for this, in 2017, even the politicians of the Ukraine are also divided in two parts. According to a survey in 2017, majority of the Ukraine wanted to join NATO. NATO is a group of USA and the European countries, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. It is the military alliance in which if any other country attack one of the country of the NATO, then other country will provide support with the military. So in 2004, 10 European countries joined NATO, like Baltic countries, Latvia, Lithuania and Estonia. These are the countries which are around the Russia, and Japan is also one of the part of the NATO. So when Ukraine will join the NATO, then ultimately it will create a pressure on the Russia. It will degrade the influence of the Russia. That is the reason that Russia do not want to indulge the Ukraine in the NATO. In December 2021, recently a meeting held between the NATO president and the Ukraine president to willing to join NATO eventually. So, despite the Russia's objections, as Russia is not in favor of this, so what the Russia did that Russia calls the Prime Minister of USA and also the President of the Finland to ensure or to guarantee that Ukraine will not be a part of NATO. But in reply of this, NATO totally agreed that Ukraine is an independent country and have their right to join any association. So now the question is that Russia what they will do, as the Ukraine is in fully way to join it, but Russia is continuously forcing to Ukraine to not to enter in it. So what the Russia did, as they are supporting the separatist of the Ukraine nation. As I earlier told, in the Ukraine there are pro-Russians in the eastern part. So Russia support their separate. Also enabled proxy war in the Ukraine part. Yes, proxy war means to say instant small war for a small time and in a small area. So and also a lot of people has been killed, around 15,000 people has been killed in this proxy war. And it is clearly and obviously, as you can see, the NATO and the Ukraine are in fully love relationship, as the Ukraine want to join NATO at any cost. But Russia, despite it, Russia is deploying their army on the Ukrainian border. Tank and missiles are ready. After invasion, Russia put a high security fence between the border of the Ukraine and the Russia, and also they developed infrastructure there. Ukrainian president told that it is the part of their, and there should be a one goal of there to be liberate it at any cost. But on the other hand, the Russia, Putin always told that this is the territory of their own. One thing is obviously clear. that Ukraine at any cost will join the NATO, and NATO is agree with that. But the Russia didn't recognize its own mistake, as they are separating the as they are supporting the separatists of the Ukraine country, and also they invaded in the Crimea and captured it, and now the threat to start a war. So there is no relation without the threat, and war should not be an option, as it leads to the destruction of the man as well as to the economy of a country. So hope you understand the video of this issue, and see you in the next video. Thank you.